Hello everyone, and welcome to the next game in Ratchet and Clank. We have Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Now, this game introduces a lot of new features that I've always been a fan of. And I'm not gonna reveal all of them right now, but the only thing I really will say is this game may be longer than the original Ratchet and Clank because there's a lot of new challenges and features and a lot of new stuff to check out. But most importantly, this game introduces the biggest new feature, Challenge Mode. And basically what Challenge Mode is when you beat the game, you're allowed to replay the game again, but new levels for new weapons are unlocked, I think. And on top of that, the amount of bolts that you can collect from enemies in crates and everything is now stacked up via a bolt multiplier, which is basically the more enemies that you smash, the more bolts are multiplied and pretty much can double, triple, quadruple your total, or even more. So, I don't know if it occurs in this game or the other, but that's one other nice feature. The other nice thing is the introduction of the Insomniac Museum. Basically a museum of scrapped concepts from Ratchet and Clank. And I think it's only in 3 games from what I know. I think it's in Going Commando, Up Your Arsenal, and Size Matters or Ratchet Deadlocked? Something. I know it's another 3rd game that I do not have. I'm gonna have to check and see if the last clip was recorded. That's a cool feature. Alright, real quick, I'm gonna make sure that, Alright, so I find it funny how they decided to implement that Ratchet was playing the game that I'm playing right now. So it's kinda funny. Okay, let's turn on subtitles, vibration on. I think there's also a couple of improvements in this game from the last one, but I can't remember what. Alright, I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on the HD PVR here. I don't know if I hit the stop record button on accident or something, but I noticed it stopped recording. No, I don't know why. But, that was awkward.
Back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
There was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Miss Littlebottom, I found our man. Welcome.
What the?
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company and the Bogon Galaxy.
Bogon?
I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance on a mission of dire urgitude, a mission of superfluous peril, a mission of unequivocal imperitude.
Did that make any sense?
So, you need me to go on a dangerous mission in another galaxy.
Indubitably. A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this dupliferous criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it!
We will?
Frank, I have precipitated your recalcitrance and have made special improvisations for you. We are prepared to give you a job as the head accountant for Megacorp, plus a penthouse suite in lovely Megapolis, and our state-of-the-art robotic masseuse.
Deal.
As for you, Ratchet, I'll need you in superlatory shape. While in transit to the Bogon Galaxy, you will undergo heavy training and conditioning, including martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival skills, stealth, macrame, ballroom dance, and origami. We've used bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. It will tribulate the base and retrieve the experiment.
Sir, ready for launch.
Half of what he said made absolutely no fucking sense. Fizzwidget does have a, he does have a tendency to,
Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 37 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
Fizzwidget does have a, he does have a tendency to use words in a very weird way. So, yeah. Now, a couple things I want you to notice. The first thing is that we have a new heads-up display. And you may notice there's a bar underneath where my weapon's ammo is. That is... You could essentially call it a progress bar, but once that bar fills up, this weapon will actually upgrade itself, which is fucking cool. Like, who doesn't love weapons that upgrade themselves? And the music is just fantastic. Okay. I'd like my camera speed reversed. Quick select pause. That's right. That's one of the new improvements. Unlike in the first game, the game actually pauses when you're trying to choose a weapon so you can't get hit. I want to say that's most definitely a win. Cause like, it was honestly kind of annoying in the first game, because if I needed to desperately choose a weapon to save my own ass, and I picked the weapon that didn't have any ammo in it, I was pretty much screwed 7 ways to Sunday. But now, it actually pauses the game for you so that you can choose your weapon however you like. So we have the Lancer. Damn it. And the Gravity Bomb. So let's see, the Lancer, basically your pistol. The Gravity Bomb, basically a very powerful grenade launcher.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
Yep.
Press circle to fire your Lancer.
Interesting. We got a map? We do. Neato. Okay, so we can't hit them from here. Oh, look at that. We now also have... Oh yeah, bolts are golden here. We now also have EXP for your health. When the bar reaches its maximum capacity and it gets full, you will receive a new unit of health. Pretty sick.
You're at full health, so you don't need the nanotech.
Alright, good to know. There are skill points in this game like there are in the first, and this is yet another game that I did not get all the trophies in, so we're definitely going to be working on that. Also... Oh, it actually already tells... Cool! It already tells you what the skill points are, and what planet you can get them on. It doesn't tell you how to get them, but it tells you what planet you need to get them on. 30 skill points, okay. I don't even mind that it doesn't really give a hint, because I'm pretty sure some of the skill points as we go along are going to be somewhat obvious, or I might remember them. Oh god, mines. Oh. Those are not the kind of mines I want to be hitting me. The Lancer auto-aims. Sick. Yep.
Try selecting the gravity bomb and using it against those enemies.
Yeah, I don't have any gravity bomb ammo. I do love how the Lancer auto-aims, though. If I'm being honest, it aims better than the Devastator from the first game.
I see it's time to update my security forces.
Whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just here to fix the transflexor coil.
Nice try. Give my regards to Megacorp. Finish him.
I love that. They laugh at her misfortune. Ah, get away from me. You gotta love it when even your cronies laugh at your misfortune. Yeah, what was that about, finish him? Now you'll notice shortly before that cutscene played, you notice the words continue point appear. I believe that serves as your checkpoint. So it's nice that now yeah, right here, continue point. Now you know when you reach a checkpoint, which is very nice because in the first game there wasn't any obvious indicator that told you, hey, this is where you're going to respawn from if you die. So, definitely a nice improvement. I could use that, nanotech.
Lugs for less. If it ain't broke, we'll break it.
Right. I'm in the market for some security.
You'll bring the cash, we'll bring the thrash.
Good. I need your best men to meet me at these coordinates.
You've acquired nanotech. Your health has improved.
I'm glad they fixed the quietness of her voice, because last time I could barely understand what she was saying. Thank God they have text to show what she's saying. Thugs for less. I'm suddenly getting flashbacks to a farming technique that I read about on the internet on that a while back. You'll find out what that is in due time. I may on occasion point out something kind of hints of something happening later in the game without really giving it away. It's just kind of a thing I do when I get really excited about stuff like this. Ah yes, my trusty Omni-Wrench. Do I have... I have 4 gravity bomb ammo. Nice try. Now, in this game, there are not gold bolts, but there are platinum bolts. I don't think there's any here. Oh wow, we're already right at the end of the area. Poor guy. Poor guy. He just fell right off. The guy's like,
Ratchet
well,
checking in, sir.
Incredulous. I didn't expect to hear from you again, so soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an emission which may lubricate the matter.
Do you have any maps for this quadrant of the galaxy?
You bet, mister! We got galactic maps, 3D maps, fold-outs, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their homes.
Sorry about that. I forgot my wallet. Could you take care of this?
Perimeter defenses deactivated.
You forgot your change.
I'm on my way.
I'm sorry, were we told where they were going from that? Planet Uzla. I remember this place. I remember this place. I remember this place so well. Oh, the memories are all flooding back. This was the place with that Megacorp Mart place. Yeah. The Megacorp outlet. Oh, I'm... What do we got? Wow, 2 new weapons. The chopper and the blitz gun. Chopper. Throw deadly discs at your enemies. Nice. The shop automatically chooses the max amount of ammo for the weapon you want to get ammo for. Nice. Now, here's where things get a bit... They get kind of tricky. Because now we have... Well, I mean, we can technically get 1 new weapon right now. But now that these weapons can, you know, level up, it's going to be kind of hard to keep track of leveling all of them up. However, it does make for extra firepower if we run out of weapons or run out of ammo on 1 weapon. So I'm going to go ahead and get the chopper. If not for experience, then as a backup weapon if I'm in a tight situation. Oh, and look, it even marks where the Megacore weapon vendor is. Nice. We heard that jingle when the game started. Oh, I remember you guys. I'm sorry, I'm getting so many flashbacks right now. Now, these guys aren't exactly as friendly as they might look. cool. It actually shows you firing the weapon. Or it actually shows the weapon. Now, you might wonder, these guys look kinda cute. How could they possibly be harmful? Well, let me show you how. You get close to one. Yeah, they spew acid. They're not very nice. I hear someone calling for help. Oh. Yeah, this is where the game gets kinda dark. Just gonna warn you. Oh. I fucking hucked them like shuriken. I hucked them like shurikens. Wild. Oh, and they bounce off of enemies repeatedly. That is fucking handy. That could be useful for taking care of small enemies that can be taken out in like one hit. Now, you know how I said the game's gonna get kinda dark? Hi there, you just kinda hopped out of nowhere. Well, it has to do with the scientists you saw. Several of them, actually. The game does have its crude humor, moments of being kinda dark. This game, especially, gets very disturbing at times. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, some of the shit you'll see in this game is just pretty messed up, but not like scarring messed up, just like what the hell kind of messed up. But you'll see what I mean. You know, I never thought we'd go to Planet Uzla until Up Your Arsenal. Oh, by the way, something I should mention. I don't know how many of you would have considered this.
Your maximum nanotech has increased. Defeat more enemies to increase it further.
Oh, that's cool. It destroys all the crates and enemies in a room when you level up. I think there's actually a weapon that does something similar, and it is in this game, and oh my god, does it cost a lot of bolts. But we'll worry about that later. Something you guys may or may not have considered already is, that is a deadly Venus flytrap, is each name of each Ratchet and Clank game is supposed to be like a sexual joke. Going Commando, Up Your Arsenal, A Crack in Time, Quest for Booty. It's kind of hilarious, actually. Like, it's so subtle, yet it's so obvious when you think about it. That's what I love about Insomniac games. They really do have a nice sense of humor. Some of you guys might be thinking, oh, that's just like, you know, for immature teens or kids or whatever. I'm sure there's some people who would enjoy that kind of humor too, who aren't teens. I mean, I'm 20 and I'm still enjoying this, so clearly they've done something right for me to be a fan of that kind of humor. Whack. Now, I believe there's a platinum bolt around here somewhere, and I think you gotta ride on this guy to get to it. We'll go for the Lancer. How did that not hit any of you? That's shocking. Wait. Okay, that's... Okay, did I miss something? Oh, God. Fuck. Okay, it doesn't hurt me. Okay, good. It doesn't hurt me. But it, Oh, there we go. That's how I get to that island. Hey guys, what's up? You all need to die. Now, where do you take me? Do you take me back here? Wait. Okay, that's where I'm... Over there is where I can go, over there is where I'm supposed to go. So, what's up with that? Do I have to wait long enough on another one of these things? Aha! I do. What do I get? Just bolts. Well, good enough of a reward. Ah, fuck! I got so into the music I almost died. I'm glad you guys don't mind me hitching a ride on you. Unless you do, and you're just like, hey, I'm just gonna tour around until you drown, in which I shall submerge you with painful acidic water. I don't even think this is acidic. I think it's just... I don't even know. Oh god. Gravity bomb time. Yeah, that's one particular reason the gravity bomb most definitely does come in handy. And I think I suddenly remembered where I can get a skill point on this planet. Hi. Ow! Oh, you little fuck. The other one approached me and was friendly. I thought you were friendly. Oh god. I never thought I'd get a nice view of the inside of a fly trap. Whee!
Welcome. If everyone could take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. First, I'll need a volunteer. Anyone? Excellent. Your name, sir?
Ratchet. Hey!
And there you have it. The Megacorp tractor beam in action. Let's give it up for our volunteer. Sir, how about taking advantage of our show special?
Alright, I'll buy it.
Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
The tractor beam moves small and medium-sized objects which have glowing orange targets like these. Press circle to move those columns so you can scale the cliff.
Now, there's two things that this is going to reward me with. The first, I believe, is right here. Oh no, it's over there. Okay. That over there is a platinum bolt. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab it. I was mistaken. I thought it was over here. Now, these pillars are not the only thing that the tractor beam works on. Yeah! Platinum bolt. Also, I like how the first couple levels, they basically have you working without Clank. Just like in the first game. It doesn't make the most pleasant noise, but it does get the job done. Fuck. And I did not get the job done of jumping up properly. Huh. Did I go the wrong way? Oh, I totally did. I don't know if I could crouch, throw my Omniwrench, and walk away at the same time. But I can in this game.
To go to a new planet, you'll have to find new coordinates on this planet first.
Okay, yeah, thank you. I figured I went the wrong way. Oh yeah, I didn't even see this path down here. You guys are not pleasant at all, and because you're not pleasant, you all get to die. Ha! Still got him. This gray bar means it doesn't get leveled up because it's just a gadget. Don't worry, sir. I'm coming to save you. Oh God. Hey, can I? I totally can. Please tell me I can get a skill point from this. Oh my God. I can't. Oh my God, I'm a genius. Those were flying very close to me, and I just figured, hey, what if I can get a skill point from shooting these? Oh God, it's an ambush. Grab bomb. That didn't hurt me somehow. Eee! I saw your weird claw things coming out of nowhere. That good sir needs our help. Oh my God! We just saw him get vaporized. I forgot that happened. I mean, I knew some of the other scientists died in other ways, but oh dear God. Yeah, this pretty much indicates that not only do these scientists work one of the worst jobs in the galaxy, but they're also dying because of it. That's kind of fucked up, in more ways than one. I did tell you that this gets kind of disturbing. And there goes another one. Another one bites the dust. I think that was the one we saw earlier that was being held by a giant thorny tentacle, and he just got dragged under, possibly eaten alive, maybe painfully digested. Lord only knows what happened to him. And, of course, I'm being kind of nonchalant about this because there's not really much we can do about it. But,
Press triangle to interrupt messages. Pause and select options to disable them permanently.
Yeah, not much we can do about these poor fellas. And we're out of ammo. But it's okay because they died. Lawak! I hear another scientist crying in distress for help. I'm coming to save you, sir! I'm coming to... Oh no.
To strafe, you can hold down L2 or R2 while running sideways or backwards.
Ow! Dick? Ow! Alright, buddy, you asked for it. This guy has some... you know what? I'll give you props for having some mean accuracy. I wasn't even underneath you! Dick! Ow! I wasn't even underneath you, asshole. Ow. Like I said, I'll give you props for having some mean accuracy. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, hey, look. Oh, wait. I'm not sure if it reset my ammo because I died or because I somehow got 5 things back. Am I safe over here? No, I'm not. Okay. Ow. What if I just shoot the eye? Or I can just kill you, like that. Sweet! That was enough to get me a level up. That's a new thingy. And I think I know exactly what that is. The dynamo.
The dynamo activates machinery. Press circle to use the dynamo to zap that activator.
Cool. I like the dynamo. Hey, curious question, actually, now that I think about it. Okay, I was wondering if pressing circle when near a particular like object would automatically trigger the appropriate gadget for that object. Like if I press the use button, it would pull it out. There's a guy being carried around over there.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp, where our customers come first.
The music doesn't really help. I'm just gonna say that now. He's crying in distress and I can't do shit to help him. The poor guy. Wait.
Shirt and shoes are required when shopping at Megacorp.
I think there's also a skill point for pretty much destroying every fucking thing in the store. So, I'm definitely gonna be doing that. The chipper happy-go-lucky music does not clash well with what's going on right now. I'm just gonna say that.
Megacorp reserves the right to refuse service to anyone.
Oh, fuck. I didn't get this. Damn it, I didn't get to see what that said. Now I feel bad. Where'd the dude go? You know what? I'm willing to bet it just ate him. Which
Megacorp is pleased to announce a 3% employee discount on all Megacorp merchandise. Tax laws still apply.
3%? That's kind of pathetic. I mean, hey, it's still a discount, just not a very reasonable one. Can I please hit that? I want to hit that. Thank you. Ah, this is so satisfying.
Megacorp, where our customers come first.
That didn't help at all. Oh crap, it's been 37 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and end this episode here, folks. And next time, in Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, we're gonna see what we can find here in the Megacorp Mall outlet thing. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And I'll see you next time.